Multiplying monomials. Well, it doesn't really get any better than this, because this is pretty fun. So when you're multiplying monomials, we are learning about a property this chapter that tells us that if you're multiplying the same base, see how we're multiplying a 5 times a 5, you can actually keep your same base, so the 5 stays the same. We don't actually multiply those together, and this property is a nice little shortcut. But we can do something with the exponents. So you keep the same base and you are going to add your exponents. So 3 plus 4 is 7. And we get 5 to the 7th power. It's so fast and wonderful and awesome. So moving on to the next one, m to the 5th times m cubed. So we notice, hey, look, we're multiplying the same base. So you're going to keep the same base of m. And then you're going to do something with your exponents. You have a 3 and you have a 5 and a 3. And we're going to go ahead and add those together. 5 plus 3 is 8. So our answer is m to the 8th power. Alright, moving on. Now this one looks a little more complicated. What you're going to do is just kind of multiply the things together that seem like they should go together. For example, you have a 4 coefficient and a 2 coefficient. So we can go ahead and multiply the 4 times the 2 and get 8. Now we're going to multiply the p together. And here's where we'd say, oh look, here's a p and here's a p. We're multiplying the same base. We can use our property. When you're multiplying the same base, keep the base of p and you're going to add the 2 plus the 4 and you get 6. So coefficients get multiplied like normal, and then when you notice that you're multiplying the same base, p and p, you add your exponents. See? Not bad. Alright, so here's another one very similar to what we just did. I notice we have coefficients out front, so we can go ahead and multiply negative 2 times 10 and we get a negative 20. So it's just your regular old multiplication. And then we say, oh, and we also have to multiply the same base. So n to the 12th times n cubed, keep your base of n, and then the property lets us take those exponents and add them. So 12 plus 3 is 15. So we have a negative 20 n to the 15th power. So when you're multiplying monomials, keep your base the same, add the exponents.